trip. We're late!
Where are Pororo and Crong running to so early in the morning?
Pororo and Crong must have overslept again.
Really? Oh, there they are.
Hello!
Crong, Crong. Crong.
Hello.
But wait, Eddy's not here yet? Everyone! Hello!
Crong, Crong.
Eddy, what is that?
It's a train. Let's go on a trip by train today. Everyone get in. Everyone is here, right? We'll take off now.
It's moving.
Pororo and his friends went on a trip by train.
Wow, there's a whale!
Oh, wow.
Wow, that's amazing!
Hi, Will.
Oh, it's moving slowly now.
It's because we're going up a mountain.
Oh.
We came all the way up, and now we'll go down. Oh. We're sliding down!
Eddy, slow the train down!
All right.
Eddy, this bridge might fall apart.
Eddy, hurry up!
The bridge fell down.
We have to cross it to go home.
What should we do now?
All I have is a rope.
A rope? Oh. Right. Poby, come with me.
Oh,
Crong.
why here?
Can you help me?
Oh,
I am ready.
1, 2, 3.
Oh. I crossed it!
Poby, cross the bridge!
Oh, okay. Here we go. Here we go. Oh. Thank you.
What a relief, Poby. We don't have a train anymore. How do we go back home?
To get back home, our friends walked and walked.
Whoa! It's Porong Porong Village finally!
That was a really tough trip.
Yeah. But we had a great time together.
Really? Then I will build us another cool train and we'll travel again.
What? I'd better go home now.
Huh?
Me too.
Oh, they all left me. Ha ha ha.
Crong's
Christmas. How will Pororo and his friends spend Christmas?
On Christmas Eve, when everyone falls asleep, Santa Claus gives Christmas gifts to good children. Santa Claus is coming to town today. However, he does not deliver any gifts to bad children. What's wrong? Crong, why are you cleaning all of a sudden?
Suddenly, Crong has become a good kid.
It's very clean now. Hello, you all arrived. We have a Christmas party today, remember?
Where's Crong?
Crong is acting very strange. He's been like that since I read a book about Santa. It seems like he really wants to get Christmas gifts.
Hey guys, I think I have a good idea.
What is it?
Come close to me. Okay.
Oh? Huh?
Crong.
Crong, it's nothing. Let's start the party now.
Crong.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
What did our friends whisper about?
Let's go to sleep now.
Ah! What should we do?
I failed.
Now it's my turn. That hat is...
We failed again.
What should we do?
Oh dear. Let's go home for now.
Oh, Loopy,
Yes?
your house.
What's that light over there? Maybe...
Let's go.
Oh, the light is gone!
Oh,
Oh, we have presents.
Our little friends are finally sleeping. Merry Christmas! Oh, ho, 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 ho.
The night of Christmas Eve in Porong Porong Village is passing by quietly.
No more being selfish!
In Porong Porong Village, there's a little fox named Eddy.
Hello, I'm Eddy.
Today, Eddy will go ice fishing with his friends.
La, la, la. Hello, everyone. Hi, Eddy. I'll catch all the fish. Me, Eddy, all of them. You'll see. Shall I start now?
I got one!
Oh?
Oh? Yay! I got one too.
Oh?
I got one!
Oh. Poby,
Huh?
would you mind if we switch our seats?
Oh? Okay.
La 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 la. Oh. Whoa! Oh, it's too small.
Wow! It's very big.
How little! This is all you got? I'm so sorry!
Hey, Eddy.
What?
Come, let's fish together.
I quit.
Oh.
Crong, Crong.
Let's go home now, guys.
Okay.
Wow, that looks like fun!
It's so much more fun than fishing.
Eddie, let me ride it, please.
No, you can't.
Can I have a ride too?
Huh, no way. It's only for me to ride.
Eddy wouldn't give his friends a ride. He rode the sled alone.
Oh, wow.
After a while, Eddy came back to the fishing spot.
Whoa! Yeah!
But his friends all went back home. No one was fishing.
Oh?
Eddy's empty bucket was now full of fish. Eddy realized how kind his friends were and regretted what he did. Eddy's back home. What is he doing all night?
Hi, everyone!
Hello, Eddie!
Oh.
Ta-da! I made a new sled.
You're too heavy! Oh, it's moving!
Oh?
Poby, are you
No more being selfish. Pororo and his friends are good friends. They share everything they have.
Flying a kite!
Our friends are flying kites today.
Should I tease him? Yeah.
Oh,
Crong, crong.
That doesn't do anything. Oh, hey! Oh! Ah! Ah!
Got you.
Hey! Poby?
you too? That's enough.
Crong, crong.
What can I do to win in this kite fight? Aha! Poby! Mine is bigger than yours.
Eddy wants to make a big kite.
Okay.
Oh, Eddy!
La la la
Where is he off to all of a sudden?
What is Eddy doing?
Ahem. Now this is a real kite.
Wow! It's huge!
It's not just that it's big. Let me show you. Ahem.
Wow!
How is it? Isn't it cool? Oh, oh, oh,
Wow, it's really awesome.
Can anyone help me, please?
Oh, what's wrong with Eddy?
I might fly away. Help me! Pororo, thanks so much.
It's nothing really.
Well, I'm flying again. Oh.
Don't worry, Eddy. Oh, oh! It's flying again!
Thank you all so much.
You're safe now.
Oh my! Everyone is hanging on to the kite.
Crong, crong, crong.
In front of us?
Oh!
Crong, crong, crong.
Crong is going to grab that tree.
Crong,
Yes, let's try.
crong.
Hold tight.
Crong, it's all up to you.
Crong,
Now!
crong.
Amazing job, Crong!
I'm alive. Oh? The line is about to break!
Oh? Oh. Is everyone okay?
Yeah. Where is Eddy? There you are! Eddy!
I'm sorry, everyone. It's all my fault.
Right. But thanks to Eddy, we had the chance to fly in the sky on a kite. I know, right?
Haha. Thanks to me?
Today, our friends came together and took care of each other once again.
Treasure hunt!
It's morning. Let's see what our little fox Eddy is up to today.
What book should I read? Yes, this looks good. Oh, what is this? Oh, it's a map. There's a mark. Oh, maybe. That's it. It's a treasure map. Where is it?
Eddy!
Huh?
Oh, what is that?
It's nothing at all.
Why are you hiding it then, huh? Is it maybe a treasure map?
How did you know it was a treasure map?
A treasure map? Yeah! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo!
So Pororo and Crong joined Eddy to find treasure.
When will we get there?
Found it! It's right there! Treasure might be buried under there.
Shall we go get the treasure, huh?
Oh, wait! That's my treasure! Huh? Hey! Oh! Ouch! Oh! This sign means... Oh. Whoa! Pororo, Crong! Are you two okay?
Yes, I think we're fine. But how do we get out of here?
Take my hand! I got you!
Crong! It's not working. Go!
Wait here for a minute. I will bring my rope and come back.
Eddy! Can you fly the plane back to me?
Okay. Ah!
You can fly it this time.
Okay.
Up, away!
Oh, look, the plane fell under the slide over there. Oh, right, Pororo and Crong. Pororo, Crong. Sorry, I completely forgot.
It's okay. Achoo! Did you find the treasure?
Oh, well, it wasn't a treasure mark. It was a sign warning of danger.
What? So all this happened because of some treasure that doesn't exist?
You are right.
Pororo and Crong came back home safely. Eddy couldn't find treasure, but he learned that the real treasure is his friends.
We are friends.
In Porong Porong Village, in a cold land, there lived a curious little penguin named Pororo.
Huh? Hello. I'm Pororo. What is this? It's an egg. Huh?
Pororo suddenly got hungry,
That's right.
so he brought the egg home.
That's weird. What?
Oh my! A baby dinosaur hatched from the egg. But Pororo thought that the baby dinosaur was a scary monster.
Oh! Hi, Pororo!
Hi, guys!
What's Pororo doing?
Crank! Crank!
Let's follow them.
Wait for us!
Oh, you're in a race? I'll outrun you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3.
Why is everyone running?
Crunk, crunk.
Isn't that weird?
Crunk, crunk.
Watch out! Oh, this is high.
Hi there. My name is Pororo. And you?
Crunk, crunk, crunk. Crunk,
Oh, Crong?
crunk,
Ah, hello, Crong. It's nice to meet you.
crunk.
Nice to meet you, Crong.
Crunk, crunk.
Little penguin Pororo and baby dinosaur Crong became friends today.